most of them are damaged. So behind the HDMI port was in, and customer dropped, and all of the legs are damaged. So we need to. Hello guys, customer bring this one HDMI port problem. It's a PlayStation Slim version. If you see, that's the model, and there is a HDMI port which is damaged, and customer said it's a fallen on the floor and somehow it's not working. So let's do it. So what you need to do it first, we have to lift up this one from that side and it's come out. Now this side and it's come out, and now it's very easy method. So we need to remove all these screws, and then after that we will remove the rest of the things. First we need to remove this one. Now remove this one, and there is a connector, we have to remove it. First we need to remove this 4 screws. It's okay, we will try another one. Now we will remove this one carefully, very carefully we have to remove it, otherwise the connector can be damaged.
Even in the hospitality of hotel was really very nice. Family there was very nice. But there is a fault in my thinking. I have severe anxiety because of that. I was just finally I met you and you did things good for me. Whatever I spoke with them, my wife helped several times with my lawyers. None of anyone helped project. So you know how to get this voucher? Yes, I just asked from housing manager they said the food bank is there. But I searched on Google, they said it is required a referral. But I just came to know now I can get it from GB.
You have to remove these connector wires.
Yes, I know the name. It's Victoria.
First remove this one.
Victoria Center. Victoria Family Center. International Church. I will check. I will check it out. I received 30 pounds 2 days ago, 1 day ago. So I think that is for this thing. there is no progress in my life. Done. Yes, done. Yeah, 24 minutes. It's not in time for the next day. Yes, Assalamualaikum. Yeah, thank you so much, brother. It was an important call, so that's why.
Once you remove this one, after that we have to remove these screws, and there one more screw here. After that the disconnector need to be removed, and then your motherboard will be come out. When you're removing this one, this connector is very easy method. I will show you. Simply just push this one down backwards and then pull the connector. That's it. Now you can easily remove your motherboard, so very carefully. Just to double check it, there is no any hidden screw or anything, because sometimes can be damage your motherboard. It is something is maybe underneath, we need to open it. Here you go. Now we will double check it that HDMI port is problem. So that could be the issue. We will double check it. Now if you see here, I will show you. So if you see, these legs are broken. Most of them are damaged. So when the HDMI port was in and customer dropped, and all of the legs are damaged, so we need to safer side. I would recommend to change, replace the HDMI port. So we will do it now. Now I put that side yellow sticker, so it will be protect from your extra heat component protections. So I would recommend to that your choice, you want to put it on or you don't want to put it on. Now if you're using that heat gun, if your heat gun is a more than 500 temperature goes, that's great. If it is not, then you can use the 500 or 475 and use a lot of flux, and then after that it will become off. Now you can see that easily I removed it. So if you are using that new HDMI port, and you have to refresh that connectors, and after that we will put that extra flex, and then you can use it.